Good morning, Trojans. Welcome back to another week here at Cambridge Public Schools. I'm super excited to have you all here. Hopefully, everybody had a great weekend and a recharge for a regular school week. We don't have any funky stuff going on with our schedule. We do have a ton of activities going on in our middle school and high school this week, so good luck to all those teams. Um, Last week's Monday mission was how to handle conflict. If you remember, handling conflict when you're having a conflict with somebody, something that you can try is to ask them to please stop. If that doesn't work, you can ask or you can walk away from the situation. And if either one of those two things don't work, then you can let an adult know, and they can help alleviate the contact or conflict with you. The biggest thing to think about when you have conflict is conflict can be resolved through communication. If you just allow the conflict if you don't handle the conflict and you allow it to grow, you're going to have bigger problems down the road. So be a person that's going to stand up and handle conflict and not allow it to become a bigger issue than it needs to be. Last week's students of the week were Corbin Jackson, Victoria Van Zant, and Kyle Borland. Congratulations to those three students. I don't have a photo of them, but I'll get that posted on next week's Monday mission. This week's Monday mission is to respect yourself and others. It may seem a little bit strange that yourself is listed as one of the people that you need to show respect to, but I think that's something that's being lost on people when you everywhere in the world. It seems like we're not giving ourselves enough respect, and that's where we're mentally beating ourselves down on a consistent basis. Just remember that everybody has something to contribute to the world. Even if you personally haven't discovered where your talents best fit, be patient, and the path to your success will be realized eventually. While on your journey, be willing to listen to the viewpoints of others. Even though we may think we have all the answers, a little friendly advice along the way can go make life a whole lot easier. Some things that you can think about when you're wanting to show respect to yourself and others is the biggest thing is believe in yourself. Sometimes the break that we're always looking for reveals itself when we go looking for it, not when we expect it to show up. Life isn't always just going to land in our lap. We got to be the person that's aggressive, and we got to be the person that wants it more than the other people. So don't just sit back and wait for things to happen. Make them happen. And then lastly, listen to others. Everybody has different points of view. I mean, even though we live in a small community where we have a lot of like-minded people, there are other people out there that have different viewpoints, and their opinions do matter. And you can use those different points of view to help solve your problems when you're having issues. So have your ears open and your eyes open and see what's going on and listen to what's going on around you, and that'll better solve your problems. We've moved on into October, and as you can kind of tell by our Monday mission, this month's Trojan Way focus is going to be respectful. Respect is something that should be given, but it must be earned. Respect can be earned through the experiences that we have, or the talents we possess, or just by simply doing the right thing. Don't go through life expecting respect to greet you each day. Live life above the line, and you'll find respect around every corner. So part about being a Trojan is last month we talked about being trustworthy. This month we're going to focus on showing respect and being respectful. People can trust people that are respectful. People can listen to people that are respectful, and people can ask people to or surround themselves with people that are respectful. So be that kind of person. Be a Trojan, and see where life goes and see what life takes you. So let's have a great week, and go Trojans.